Are you ready to squeeze all of those limes? Yeah, it's a lot of work.
All right, Rose, I need 1 egg, Mama. Oh, thank you, love.
That's it, we don't need any more eggs, Rose. Thank you.
Yeah, 2 more eggs.
Oh, 2 more eggs? Sorry.
2 more eggs.
Rose knows. 2 more, Rose, for Mommy.
Perfect. Wait for Mom. I can do 2 at a time.
What's next, Rosie?
Maple syrup, do you want to pour it for me?
Yeah.
Okay, love.
No, Rose, it has eggs. Yeah, get your hips into it, girl.
Next, what's in the recipe, Mama? What does it say? Coconut milk. Here we go. Okay. Now, whoa, I got you. 2 cups. All right, we need 2 cups. All right. What? You gotta zest the key limes. They're perfect size for your hands. Come on,
roll
Rosie.
it out. Roll it, Rosie.
Yeah, like this.
Roll. Oh.
Get all the juice out. Squeeze it. Yeah.
Yeah, squeeze hard.
Go ahead. We need Daddy's help.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Squeezing in her eyes, though.
Oh, did I saw her, Rosie?
Let's start tempering the eggs with our coconut milk. Whoa! I gotta
Scramble. Mix.
Fast. Yes.
Do it together. You don't want to drink that.
Where did Don't put it in my
We lost a spoon.
Put it back on the stove. Wait, let's set 6 minutes on the clock. Thank you. We had 1/2 cup of the lime juice.
Work too hard to waste any.
All right, let's toast our almond flour in it. We need 2 cups of almond flour, Rose.
I knew it.
Shall we close it?
Lots of almond flour.
All right, the flour is now beautiful golden brown. That's butter, yeah. I already melted 1/2 cup.
Rose likes butter. Whoa, that was a big piece, Rose.
1/3 cup of coconut sugar.
You love vanilla, Rose.
Melted the butter. Might need a little more butter, Rose.
You have to melt it?
Uh-uh.
That's too much butter, Rose.
Too much butter.
Too much. Spit it out.
Press. Yeah.
Press again, press.
Make it nice and flat, okay? Wow.
Is it good? Yeah. Good after a nap, huh? Oh, right in the sweater. We knew that was gonna happen, Rose.
The last of the pie. We've pretty much finished it. And now there's a 1/4 left. But it's okay. I'm glad.
Wait for Mom. Wait for Mom.
Here we go.
It's worth it 24 hours. Good job, girls. High five.
High five.
Good job, girls. Brava.